Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to download and install Discord on your MacBook. Discord is a great app for chatting, voice calls and video calls with friends or communities. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So first of all, open your web browser and now visit discord.com. And now choose this option, Download for Mac. And the Discord will be start to download it. Click on the file after downloaded. And now hold the file and drag it to the applications folder. And here you can see that I have already installed it on my MacBook. So I am choosing replace it. And now if I want to check if the installation process is succeed or not, here you can see that the Discord app. That's all about the guide on how to download and install Discord on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.